For whatever reason, I decided to drive into a hole because I thought it'd be funny, and now I have to winch out.
Paddy put a stick in it and it went like, and we were like, oh, no, it'll be alright.
Alright, so today we're in Tallarook. We're going forward driving because we haven't in ages. We've got a few cars, mine, Jack's, and a couple other boys. We've got a Hilux that's locked, twin locked Landcruiser, and a brand spanking new Hilux. So we're not going to do anything too crazy, it's going to be pretty dry, so we'll see where the day takes us. Tallarook State Forest. Alright, first steep hill. It's pretty dry, so we should be right.
Well, no, it is steep, but it's not. It's grippy as.
It looks pretty dry.
Oh, it's all good. Sick.
Just second low, go, 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 I suppose.
That's not that bad. Come straight. Beautiful. Yeah, well done. Good drive. Slow down, speed racer. Speed. I can't keep up.
Slow.
Slow down, big boy.
Slow.
Alright. Alright. Here's what it is now. Yeah, just hold it there. Like straighten the wheel. I'll show you how to get now, boys. Yeah.
So we've got a decent little climb. It's pretty dry. Should just be able to crawl up it hopefully. First low, easy. Alright, so we're just driving around, we're going to different tracks. It's all pretty dry, being in the middle of, like, even with the summer that we've had, it's all still very dry. Yeah, so all the tracks are pretty easy. So we're just sort of looking about for stuff. Yeah, that bit we just did. When we came here last, it was like a year ago, it was wet, and it's like that track, like the Landcruiser twin locked and the Hilux twin locked, they couldn't drive certain lines of that, whereas today everyone just walked it. We'll look around for some other tracks, but they'll probably end up being pretty easy, which isn't a bad thing, but yeah, just see how we go. I like to give it a bit of mumbo. I'll probably flex out there as well. There you go, there's Patrol vs Landcruiser right there. Alright, we got a decent little bog hole.
Yeah, well, let's start the run with these.
Jack's made it through, you just have to give it a bit of boot. So, we'll see how we go. Already got troubles. That's it, mate, just f***ing works. I'll lift a wheel up here, guaranteed. Oh, not really, actually.
It's a bit flexy.
Yeah, the leaf springs love it, mate. Go back.
Not bad.
Second gear low and just hit it hard forward. Go, go, gas, gas, gas. First down. Go, go, go. You're done.
For whatever reason, I decided to drive into a hole because I thought it'd be funny, and now I have to winch out.
in it and it went like, and we were like, oh, no, it'll be alright. Beautiful.
Can you go back at all? And then we can put more wheels under there if you like to use that.
Rear lock.
Not too crazy, just watch the back.
Look at that. Put these in the rock.
Who put those rocks in there?
So we just sussed out, what is it, I don't even know what it's called, Tallarook Reservoir or Tallarook Reservoir, something like that, in Tallarook State Forest. Just had a quick look at that, and we're now going to the top of, I want to say it's Mount Hickey. There's like a radio tower up the top of there.
Yeah.
So we're going to go up, have a look up there, and then we might call it a day from there. We'll see, it's getting mid-afternoon now, so, but yeah, we'll head up top of there, should be a good view, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, see, when this was in the wet, this is actually like slippery. Alright, so we just finished up, come back and washed the cars because they were pretty filthy underneath. Didn't sustain any damages, which is always an upside. Yeah, good day in Tallarook, pretty good tracks. Everything went well as it should. Yeah, so we'll be looking to get out doing some more four-wheel driving soon, so if you liked seeing us do some four-wheel driving finally, make sure you give it a like. Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one when who knows what we'll be doing. It's always up in the air, so see you later.